Robinhood versus Binance, which is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'm going to break down Robinhood versus Binance, which platform is better for you. If you're trying to decide where to invest your money or trade crypto, this quick comparison will help you understand the differences, pros, and cons. What is Robinhood? First, let's talk about Robinhood. Robinhood is a US-based trading app that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, options, and some cryptocurrencies, all in one place. It's known for its simple design, commission-free trades, and beginner-friendly features. Robinhood is great if you want to invest in the stock market and dabble in crypto, all with an easy-to-use mobile app. What is Binance? Next, Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. It focuses only on crypto. You can't buy stocks here, but you can trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. Binance also offers advanced trading tools, staking, futures, margin trading, and lower fees for big volume traders. It's more powerful, but can feel overwhelming for beginners. So what's the main difference? Robinhood is a stock and crypto broker for beginners. Binance is a crypto-only platform with advanced trading features for serious crypto traders. On Robinhood, you don't really own your crypto wallet keys, so you can't easily transfer coins off the platform. On Binance, you fully own and can move your crypto to other wallets. Fees. Robinhood has no commission fees for buying and selling, but their crypto spreads can be higher than Binance's fees. Binance charges low trading fees, especially if you use their native BNB token for discounts. So for frequent crypto trading, Binance is usually cheaper. Robinhood is only available in the United States for US residents. Binance operates worldwide, although some countries have restrictions or use Binance's regional versions. Both platforms have security measures in place, but remember, Robinhood is regulated as a US broker, while Binance is a global exchange and can face country-specific rules or bans. Always use two-factor authentication on either app to protect your account. Which is better? So, which is better? It depends on what you want. Pick Robinhood if you're mainly a stock investor who wants a simple way to also buy a few big cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Pick Binance if you're serious about crypto, want access to hundreds of coins, lower fees, and more trading tools. And that's it. I hope this comparison helps you choose the right platform for your investing goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Mastery for more honest breakdowns and guides. Got any questions or want me to compare other apps? Drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.